Hey guys and welcome. Just wanted to give you a heads up of my next review, which is gonna come pretty soon. But before I post it, here is the all-in-one trimmer Philips, which is an all-over grooming set, including the OneBlade here in a separate box. And here we have the 9000 series Philips, which has a sensor which detects the need of the cut, the length of the cut that needs to be cut in your beard or whatever you're trimming, which is advanced technology, which I'll share. But as you can see, it is for the whole body, hair, beard, and body trimming. So this is a complete set. I will share a video with everything that's included in the box, and also we will give it a test. I have high hopes since my last Philips trimmer, the 5000 series, the second or the third 5000 series, stopped working, and I decided to give a try with the higher series, which is 9000, and I really hope this one is going to last at least 2 years, because this is one of the most expensive sets in the Philips lineup. The 9000 series, I've used 3000, 5000 series trimmers, but now let's give it a try with the premium set, with the all-in-one blade. And stay tuned, subscribe, and wait for the review pretty soon. See ya!